I'm here today to talk to you about cleaning and care of your Concept devices. So I recommend for good sound quality to ensure that they're sounding the best and for longevity on your devices to clean them regularly. So we're going to discuss what to do weekly and monthly. So weekly, what I recommend with your Concept devices is you're going to want to clean your dome. And I typically just use a tissue. And what you're going to want to do is just squeeze that dome. And I like to kind of go around in a circle like that. And if there's any wax in the dome, it'll come right out into the tissue. So that would be your weekly cleaning. I also recommend some monthly cleaning, and this is going to be a little bit more involved. So once a month, and I typically recommend you kind of put it on your calendar, pick the 1st or the 15th of each month, and do that regularly. So we're going to take your device and we're going to hold it at the end of the receiver. We don't want to pull on that wire, so we're going to just hold it on the end there. Again, I like to use a tissue, and we're going to catch the edge of that dome and just kind of peel it off. And I'm going to go ahead and do that to both devices and remove those domes. Okay? And I like to start by giving the domes a good cleaning. And I'm going to use an alcohol prep pad here. And I just remove the pad. I put the dome inside and just kind of rub it around and give it a good cleaning. Put it back on the tissue so you can give it a little bit of time to dry. Okay, now that we have the dome removed, you can see that there's a little white circle there, and that's what we call a wax filter. This collects the wax and keeps it from going down into your speaker so that they stay sounding sharp. So to change that, you should have some of these little wax filter cases, and they just flip open, and you'll have a number of sticks there. You just remove one. This black side is your removal tool. The white side is a new filter. And you're just going to take that removal tool straight up and down into the old filter. And you can see that's now removed. You're going to flip it to the new side. And again, straight up and down, just in and out. This is disposable. This now has the old filter on it. So you're going to want to take that and throw it away. This one's completed. So again, I'm going to do the same thing to the other one and just quickly change that wax filter. Okay, now that that process is complete, we're going to put the dome back on. I like to hold the dome upside down so I can see where the hole is going, and I just push it right back on and I give it a tap just to make sure it's secure. Again, hold the dome upside down. I can see what I'm doing. Hold the receiver and put it right back on and give it a tap. Okay. In your supplies, you'll notice you also had a little brush. And what we're going to do is brush your microphones and around your push button. This also will make sure that they sound good and work properly. So if you look at the spine of the hearing device, you have several openings there and the push button. So we're going to want to brush around those areas, but I don't like to brush into them. So I actually hold it upside down and give it a good brushing like that. Kind of back and forth a couple of times. And that's really all you need to do. And that completes your monthly cleaning. And just keeping up with that weekly and monthly care of your devices will keep them sounding best in between your appointments here at Concept by Iowa Hearing Aid Centers.